This tutorial guides you through how to generate game code with artificial intelligence and edit it using an online code editor for a seamless development experience. To begin creating your video game, use the class video game prompt found in the Canvas assignment or create your own. Once AI has generated code for you to use, click this icon to copy the code. You can use any code editor, but for this tutorial, we will use this website to save the generated game code as an HTML file. Delete any code that may be in the editor and paste the code the AI created. You don't need to do anything else with the code. To begin creating an HTML file, click on the Save icon. When the Save window opens, you want to delete the main.py name. Type the name of your game and be sure to put .html at the end. Click the Save button to download your file to your computer. Go to where you saved the file on your computer and click to open it. Your file should open in a browser such as Chrome or Safari, where you can play your game. In the first version of your game, you may find that it does not look or work the way you expected. If this is the case, switch back to the AI you are using to further refine your game until you get what you want. You have successfully created and customized a single-file HTML video game using generative AI and an online code editor. Continue to verify your game runs smoothly. Explore additional customization options or share your game with others to enhance the video game you have created.